Hello and welcome to Work Excel. In today's session, we'll find how to find top 3 values which are unique in Excel. I am Sanjay Gandhi. I'll guide you how to avoid repeating values also when these appear in the top 3 values. To find the top 3 values in Excel from the numeric data, we use large function. Large. Start selection for the data, numeric column. Lock because we have to copy that down, comma, top 1 value. So we write 1 for top 1 value here. Enter. And then we go back and double click to copy that down. To get the top second value, we modify the K position for 2 and then K position for 3. So we find 35,000, 27,000 and 25,000 are the top 3 values available for us. So we save these over here. 35,000, 27,000 and 25,000 over here. But in case I change my data here, for example, and copy 35,000 here, for example, you can notice that this becomes my second top value. And thereafter, if I do a change here also and mark my value as 27,000 here, which is now appearing 3 times, for example, it shows 27,000 as my second top value. So we must have a way available by which we can find out the topmost 3 values which are unique and not repeating values. Let's create a function over here. Same function, same range, lock that, comma 1, close bracket, enter. And we copy that down and modify that to second top location and then third top location. Remember that this K value appearing over here also gives us the location for that, which is why it is able to find out the next top value. But because my repeating values are also there, so it justifies saying that there are so many more values in the same top 1 rank. So to get the unique values, we create a support column available here where we use a count. Countifs on the given range, log that again, comma, find this value, and we get to understand that there are 35,000 numbers available in the data set over here. That means if I write over here, for example, second top location should not be second top location, it should be third location. So if I write 3 over here, I get the right answer. But to get that dynamically, I need to use a sum over there. So what I'll do is I'll copy this down here. 27,000 are 2 times, 3 times. So it shows 3 times in the data, but 2 times here because it is second top as well as again third top value. So we'll modify this using a sum function here so that the sum function selects this location, colon to expand that, and then lock this so that when I copy the sum function down further, the first cell gets locked and continues to extend the range further when I copy down and then add 1. So sum F19 to F19 is 2 plus 1 becomes third location for this large value. Close bracket, enter. So we copy that down and press Ctrl D to copy down. So we get the right answer. So 35,000 appears 2 times in the data set over here. 27,000 appears 3 times, which is these 1, 2 and 3. Therefore this becomes 2 plus 1, 3 and this becomes 3 plus 2 5, and then sixth location is 25,000. So that is the answer we get over here. So you can notice that over here 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 we added over here. So this becomes sixth location to get the answer. This is what gives us the right answer over here. So let's have a copy available for the functions we created. First large function, the simple one. Second large function, with sum, and on the right we've got the support column available with countifs, and we paste it over here. This is how we get complete set of unique values available as desired earlier, 35,000, 27,000 and 25,000 as desired earlier. So we use a large function in two different manners. The simple large function, the standard one, and the one with the unique values. Therefore the steps are: write large function, first argument numeric range, second argument sum with plus, and the additional column for countifs. This gives us a fairly good idea about how to find topmost 3 or 5 unique values in Excel. So if I extend my data here, for example, and I extend my function down here, for example, I get top 5 unique values correctly over here, which is the right calculation because of the combination of the function we've made, large plus sum, and with the support column available using countifs. In case you want to find out what are different ways in Excel to find out topmost values in Excel, you can always check on another video titled as Top 3 Values 4 Ways in Excel. Thank you.